Hello and welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to quickly merge two or more layers. So, I have these two layers. This is a figure 8, but for now I have both halves of it separate. So let's combine them both into one layer. So I click on the name of the first layer in the Layers window. Now I will hold the Control key and click on the name of the second layer. This will add it to the selection. Now I right-click on one of the names of the selected layers and select Merge Layers from the menu. And it is done. As you can see, the layers have merged. However, the previous step can also be performed using keyboard shortcuts. If you have selected all the layers you want to merge, press Ctrl+E and you will get the same result. Thanks for watching.